Hello guys, I'm Tuber. As you can see, I'm new on YouTube and I wanted to play Minecraft. Oh look, here's the chest. Oh, I got good starter kit. As you can see, this is a mod pack. Yeah, if you will not believe me, it's my mod pack. I made it. Woo! Yeah, oops. It's my mod pack. I made it so you can't download it. Yeah, but it's really good mod pack. So if you got any more, I got at least 30 mods. But if you got any more mods to see what's good, just type in comments. I will try to download it. Yeah. Sorry if I look like a noob. You know, my first time to record YouTube. YouTube. No idea why I did that. As you can see, here's the rainbow. Oh, why did I jump? Is this clay? I think it's clay. Yellow clay, right? Yeah, I think this could help me at some trackers. Yeah, I will put a waypoint. New waypoint. Clay. Maybe it could help me sometimes. Overruled. Yep. Yeah, there's that waypoint that I can see. Well, I have no idea, but see, there's a lot of clay. I hope I will find a normal place, like, you know, a really normal, not like stupid like this. Yeah, I put out my Optifine mode. I have no idea. My friend said, if you work without Optifine, it will not lag. Oh no. So, we got a quest. Our quest is to find a regular place to live. I'm not joking, you guys. We must find something regular to live. We can't live here. There's some sand. Oh, here's also sand. I have no idea why I'll do it with eggs so I can spend this eggs. Okay, as you can see, this is my first video that I upload on YouTube. Cactus. Can you talk to me, cactus? Oh. This looks like some structure. You know, like some building and it's secret base inside. It will be cool. Yo, look at that. German. It's German. Oh, Germany. Deutschland, liebe Deutschland. Joking. GG, just joking. What's that? Oh, not again. One. Maybe that's the entrance of that base. The base. Oh no. No. Stuck 4 days. Stuck in 4 days. Woo. Oh! My armor just stopped. Yeah, you will see. What do you look this noob? It's so stupid. Yeah. Oh, he got enchanted eggs. Not eggs. That. You know what I want to say. Yeah, I will keep this waypoint. I will come here. Took some torches because I want to explore that cave. It looks so interesting. Alright. Exploring. Oh, we got one more quest. We got one more quest for this episode. Explore the cave. Isn't that quest good? Isn't it? Isn't it? Oh, tell me this. Yeah, I only. Yeah, it's one. No, no. tractor. Oh, they will kill me. They will destroy me. They will destroy me. They destroy me. We go the latest there. Teleport. Why am I trying even to kill them? Oh, creepers. Creepers. Minecraft creepers. Creepers, creepers, creepers. Creepers. Oh! What dead is this? The third dead, I think. I told you the exploring will be interesting. No! Killing him, Melanite, Malakir. But it looks cool. We can't go in that way. Oh. Yeah, we explore this. We explore. I think we will go home now. How we didn't get that Monster Hunter achievement or something? Yeah, the quest is continuing. Find a regular place to live. Run like a shadow. Just to delete this report. Zombies, hear something. This looks a lot normal. Yeah, the chest. The quest is still not completed. You see, it's still in all desert type. Oh, just. Yeah, we will survive this first night. Then that will be the end of our video. Oh, sorry for that. Oh no. Oh no. But you must this clay type looks cool. If you want to build some structure, you know, like build it up yellow clay, like look like golden statue. Oh, this is Russia. Yeah, it's snow, and this is the. If I put net water next to them, can I make something of them? I have no idea. I will try to do it. What? Oh, I scared it. Is that something happened in Minecraft or some, you know? What? Oh, it just made fat. Oh, why did we spawn here? Oh, there's a little grass block. Yeah, I think we must build a house here. Huh. This will called the Desert Survival. The Desert Survival! Yeah, when you say it. Oh, I forgot I'm not upgraded. And we need stone. Oh no. Yeah, that's the place for glass. What can we craft? Okay, we can't craft torches. We can't craft anything. I think this will be the whole episode. Stacking for days. Stacking for days. Not the light old sound like. Now you will see there's a all normal type of ground behind this. I'm out of shadow. Yeah, it's good that I got that race minimap mode, so I can see. Oh, there's the creeper. Fortunately, I don't have Optifine. There's a zombie. There's also zombie and also zombie. Oh, you see, under the grass is clay. Where is this wall? No, it's clay. Would be good under the. Oh, there's clay. I hope there's no clay. It's clay. Why is everywhere clay? Oh, I hate clay. Yeah, this is the episode about clay. I killed because of clay. So, thanks for watching. Bye!